But I will tell you this, companies are jumping into this left and right, and they're kind of figuring it out as they go. It's not everything about it is not rocket science. So it's not something that you have to, you're not going to school to become a doctor until you can start operating on somebody. You can kind of learn the basics and then practice them, and you'll learn as you go.
Right.
So it's not, and I'm saying that in a sense of, I don't want anyone listening to this right now to be discouraged thinking, oh, well, yeah, okay, I have to go back to school to learn this stuff again. And that's a waste of my time when I could just be selling retail roofs. It's not that. You
Right.
can be running within a week and crushing the insurance restoration business.